If you are running cold email campaigns and struggling with low open rates or landing in the dreaded spam folder, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Warmy, the powerful email warm-up and deliverability tool that's helping marketers, sales teams, and business owners land right in the inbox where they belong. So we will walk you through exactly how to use Warmy, from connecting your inbox, setting up your warm-up campaign, monitoring your domain reputation, all the way to leveraging analytics, marketing, or a seasoned pro. Warmy can be a total game changer for your campaigns. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video, because we will give you some pro tips and our final thoughts on whether it's worth your investment. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Warmy. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials. But of course, the better option is to click the Start Your Trial or click the Get a 7-day free trial. No credit card required. You can cancel anytime. If you do, you will be forwarded here, this new page. All I have to do is very simple. Provide all the information needed and click the sign up. And to make the account creation a lot faster and easier, you can continue using your Google. If you do, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Warmy, wherein, as you may notice, it's very clean and intuitive. Okay? On the left side is going to be the dashboard, which is going to be your main control panel, providing an overview of your email warm-up activity. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything else yet. Alright? But if you do, you will have the current performance stats like deliverability, open rates, and spam rates, visual graphs showing inbox placement over time, and of course alerts or notifications for issues like domain reputation drops. Now, from here, it's going to be a lot easier to connect your mailbox. I want you to click the blue button so you can get started with your own dashboard. So, all you have to do is, there's going to be a connection guide, but what I'm going to do is click the Gmail. So you can choose from any of your email provider. Okay, you can use Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Outlook, SendGrid, Mailgun, and custom SMTP. Or if you want, you can upload CSV file, and you also have other providers here: Yahoo, Brevo, Zoho, SendPulse, Elastic Email, Amazon, SES, SMTP, Expert Sender, Campaigner, and so much more. In my case, I'm gonna go to the Gmail. Now try to click on connect, and if you see a connection error, all right, click the contact option on the sales support. You want to make sure that your password and the email address is correct, or you have an admin privileges to do with that. But for now, we're gonna skip that, and we're going to the domain section. Now within the domain section, it will show you all the domains you've connected to warm-up inbox. All right, but for now, we're gonna skip this because we don't have any domains connected yet here in Warmy. But if you do, you will see their health and reputation scores. You have the warming status like active, completed, and needs attention. If you want to add the mailbox for the domain, you will be forwarded here to the same section earlier. All right, again, you just have to choose the provider. In my case, I am using Gmail, but for some reason there's going to be like an error, so you might want to call your IT admin for that. But on the template section, we're gonna skip that for now. We're gonna go to the mailbox, okay? Because within the mailbox, you have all the tab lists. This is where you can create warm-up status like day 1 of 30 or day 10 of 20. You can see connection status right here for the mailboxes, like correctly linked via IMAP or SMTP or not. You have the groups. You can add or remove mailboxes if you want. You can see which mailbox is warming or paused if you click the group project, right? So you can provide a name for your group. For example, in this case, I want you to click the create button so you can control and track the warm-up status for individual email addresses. You can troubleshoot connection issues, and again, it's kind of handy when you go to the bulk connections. If you wanted to upload a CSV file so you don't have to do it manually one by one, you can upload a CSV file for this, right? And then we skipped the templates earlier, but for now, as you can see, this is where you can email copy use during the warm-up process. If you don't have any template yet, this is going to be a perfect opportunity for you to create pre-written email samples for automated exchanges. You can custom templates you can create for more natural interactions. You see, there's going to be like a plain text, HTML, and integrate with HubSpot. If you click the plain text, it will be forwarded here. You just have to provide the template name. So in my case, that's going to be the select your mailbox and the message. You can customize this by providing a different let's say this one, make it blue, make it bold, underline, and a lot more. And click the preview button to make sure that you have all the analytics to guide you. Subject length, word count, reading time, number of links, question count, spammy word count, and personalization. Click on next. And click on save. Alright, you want to make sure that it's going to be that. And then the seed list is a set of email addresses used in the warm-up process to simulate real conversations. Right now, you can use either of the following: Gmail, Premium Gmail, Outlook, and your Yahoo. But the thing is, as you can see at the bottom, you need to unlock the seed list by checking the plans, which we are going to check later. But if you're curious, let's click on it. Right now, you need to select the number of seeds, and the corresponding amount will be different. It varies, all right? Right here, as you can see, 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, and a lot more. So we're going to skip that for now because we're going to discuss the email verification. Now, with the email verification, you can upload file to validate, and of course, you can check whether an email address is valid, active, and deliverable. If it's a catch-all, disposable, or has DNS issues, you can start email validation by uploading a file to begin with. Alright? You can avoid sending to invalid or risky emails, improving your sender reputation, and of course, reducing bounce rates. And then there's gonna be the Inbox Academy. This is a learning and training section for the warm-up inbox. It will give you step-by-step guides and tutorials how to use warm-up inbox effectively. It gives users to master the platform and email warm-up strategies for better inbox placement, which is kind of like an educational content for new users and agencies to get up to speed quickly. And then there is the Notifications Hub. It's going to be your central alert and update center where you can view all of the important platform notifications and updates. Alright, you can stay updated on system checks, features, changes, or messages from warm-up inbox support so that you can keep users informed in real time so they can take timely actions, because you can see alerts about your email warm-up progress or any issues detected. Last is going to be the agency. Now within Warmy, okay, it's designed for users managing multiple clients or email accounts. It makes it easier for marketing agencies or small email service to provide scale email warm-up operations for multiple clients efficiently. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our walkthrough of Warmy. It is a solid solution for anyone serious about email outreach. Its AI-powered system, real-time insights, and warm-up network provide the edge you need in a crowded inbox environment. It's not just about sending more emails, it's about sending smarter ones. From setting up your account, connecting your inbox, to monitoring your deliverability score, Warmy makes the entire process automated, efficient, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're a marketer, agency, or startup founder, this tool takes the guesswork out of email warm-up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial like this one. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with Warmy, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.